All right, another day. It's Wednesday, back in Times Square. I know it looks like it's daylight, but it's not. It's dark. Sun is just now coming up. Of course, the lights from out here do a good job of making it seem like it's always daylight. We got a little bit of snow last night. They do a bang-up job of putting down ice and scraping and keeping this tourist attraction clean, though. So you can't really tell. It's really cold. It's supposed to be like 4 degrees today. So what did I learn yesterday at Inman? I learned some great stuff, took some takeaways home with me. But one of the things I learned was the impact that a single speaker can have on an audience rather than a panel. We saw quite a few panels, like heavy panels, like 90% panels yesterday. And not very many speakers, obviously. Only, holy shit, it just got cold. Only 10, like took my breath away. Literally just took my breath away. Wind is coming right at me right now in this tunnel. Only about 10% individual speakers. And the individual speakers, it was so easy to get takeaways, and they were so engaging with us, the audience. Red light crossing. They were so engaging with the audience. It was so easy to get takeaways. Rather than panels, there wasn't really any engagement going on with us in the audience, and that made it harder to I don't know if it was to focus or harder because of the format to get stuff that we would then take with us. I'm not really clear on it, to be honest, still. As I was looking at my notes last night and rewriting them, it was really readily apparent that the individual speakers I took a ton of notes on. Just one person presenting great info in a fun and energetic and engaging way versus a panel. I would have no notes, or maybe just one note or two written down as a takeaway. And so I don't know really where I'm going with this, other than I'd be interested in other people's feedback, I guess. As somebody who sometimes puts on events, as somebody who obviously does present, and I've presented in both formats, what do you prefer? Do you prefer an individual speaker on an individual topic giving you solid individual takeaways, or do you prefer a panel of a couple of different people kind of going in a different direction and maybe getting more info from just one person, getting 3 or 4 opinions, and maybe not just one topic, but a little bit more broad-based? Like, which do you prefer when you attend an event? I would like to know that, because I think that's an important thing to know as a speaker, as a presenter. My own perception is not necessarily reality. It's only my reality. So I'd like to know your reality. So if you've made it this far into the video here, and if you take just a quick second to comment, I would appreciate it. Thanks a lot.